Wow, 5 baskets full of apples.
Wow.
They look yummy. I wonder how many apples there are. Let me count them all. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Oops. Oh no. Help. I'm stuck under the apples. Somebody help me.
Don't worry, Max. Professor Panda is here. Magic wand, sparkle, and shine. Let's put everything back in line. Were you trying to count all these apples, Max?
Yes, but I got all mixed up.
We could count them like this. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Oof, that's a lot of counting.
But guess what? I know a magical shortcut. Look carefully. There are 5 equal groups, and each group has 6 apples. So instead of adding 6 again and again, we can simply write 5 multiplied by 6. 5 multiplied by 6 equals 30. Wow, that was so fast.
Multiplication makes counting super easy.
Now it's your turn. Can you solve this? There are 4 equal groups. Each group has 3 balloons. How many balloons are there? Did you get the answer? Let's check. 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12 balloons. Great job, everyone. Now let's try one more fun challenge. Look carefully. We have 3 equal groups, and each group has 4 oranges. Can you count the total number of oranges? What's the answer? Excellent. 3 groups of 4 oranges means 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. Look carefully. There are 2 clouds, and each cloud has 6 shining stars. Can you tell me, how many stars are there altogether? 2 groups of 6 stars means 2 multiplied by 6 equals 12. So, there are 12 shining stars altogether. Awesome job.
I got it.
Did you get it too?
Each baby is alert and awake. Ooh, every baby's got a rattle to shake. Ooh, let's do the bip bop and clack the blocks and shout.
Yeah, from your high chair.
Got the crib crew shaking it up. One sipping from their sippy cup. Giggle, snap, milk splash, baby rock. Go crazy with the goo-goo drop. Giggle, snap, milk splash, baby rock. Baby, can you do the goo-goo drop? Ooh.
Get wise with Wiggly Wise.
Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep exploring.
If you had fun learning with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wiggly Wise. We'll see you in our next magical adventure. Bye.